using my cake mix and a couple of store-bought ingredients. Let me show you what you're going to need. So first, using my cake mix, you can bake a small butter cake and keep that and let it cool. Overnight would be better, but if you don't have time, it's okay, as long as it's about 2 or 3 hours before you need the dessert done. That's fine. Then you need to get, I just got some of the Paul's custard, vanilla custard ready to pour one, because this one doesn't have egg or gelatin in it, so it's good for vegetarians. And then I've got some fruit salad, which is in juice, not in syrup, because the one in syrup is too sweet. So just get a mixed fruit salad. And here I have some store-bought jelly. So this one as well is without gelatin, so it's suitable for vegetarians, and it's easy for us to just scoop it and put it on the top. You can make any of these ingredients yourself, or any of these different elements yourself. That's totally up to you, but this is just a quick way of doing it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to assemble this dessert. So I'm using glasses for today, but you can also put it in a big trifle bowl if you prefer. The method is still the same. I just like this because it's sort of personalized to each person. So this one, just put the cake at the bottom in all 3 glasses. And this is a good way to use leftover cake. If you have too much cake left over, this is a good way to use it up. Then put some of your fruit on top of the cake. Make sure you get some of the juice from the fruit on the cake so that the cake can be a bit moist. Then pour some of the custard on top. A bit more on this one. And lastly, put some jelly right on the top. So I'm just using the spoon and getting as thin slices as possible, rather than just putting the whole chunk of jelly. And then this just needs to go into the fridge and stay chilled for a few hours before you serve it. And then you can serve this individually to your guests. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy cooking!